Hey everyone, exciting news from Telycam. You can now control your Telycam PTZ cameras with the Elgato Stream Deck. That's right, with our brand new Telycam PTZ Plugin available now on Elgato Marketplace. Almost everything you used to doing in the Telycam web UI is now right here on the Stream Deck, making your camera control faster, easier, and way more intuitive. Let's walk you through how to get started. First, head over to the Elgato Marketplace, search for Telycam PTZ, and download the plugin. It's totally free. Next, open your Stream Deck software, install the plugin, and you'll see Telycam camera controls appear right here in your action list. Now, just connect your Telycam PTZ camera to your network, drag the camera key from your action list, and enter the IP address in the plugin settings. Don't forget to press Enter until you see the box turns into green. Now you're ready to go. You can customize all your pan, tilt, and zoom controls right on your Stream Deck and easily control the movement, set up presets, start and stop recordings, all with a single tap, or maybe a few. Here, I created a folder for slower PTZ control. When the camera is fully zoomed in, the default speed can sometimes feel too fast. So with this setup, I can just tap into the folder and use buttons with preset slower speeds for smoother movement. I also added a second page for setting and coding presets and controlling auto tracking. You can even create a page just for color adjustment, which makes it super easy to color match across different Telycam cameras with just a few taps. This really saves a lot of time when you're running multi-camera streams. And it doesn't stop there. You can schedule recordings, shut down, or reboot the camera, all from your Stream Deck. Pretty much everything you'd normally do in the Telycam web UI, you can now control directly on your Stream Deck. So go ahead, download the plugin today from Elgato Marketplace, and you'll find the link right down below in the description, and you'll definitely find more surprises. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any new updates from Telycam. Thanks for watching and happy streaming!